Now don't click on the next video after watching this boy, because this boy is going to the exactly point that drive you to become the expert in digital marketing. So let's get started. First, intro. Intro was great. By the way, point number 1 is keep learning. If you want to become success, never stop learning. YouTube, Facebook, Google, they always changing their algorithm time to time. You need to upload it. Regularly educate yourself by taking the new digital marketing courses, and also study the latest research about digital marketing. It is very important to become expert in digital marketing. It is a main key. And it is not wrong if I say it is a main key to become expert in digital marketing. Keep learning. Number 2 is merging the strategy. Now I'm not saying that merge the 2 or 3 strategy in one strategy. Yes, I am saying this, but here's the point. Merge 2 or 3 strategy into one strategy to produce effective result. If you become the expert in digital marketing, don't apply one single strategy at a time. Apply to merging strategy, because it is a more efficient way, and apply it in the right direction. Point number 3, market the every niche. It is a very good practice to become expert in digital marketing. If you are affiliate marketer and you are promoting on only one or specific niche, now it is the time to promote other niches. Now don't cover all niches. I am saying that it promotes 2 or 3 more, like health, relationship with a profitable niche also well. But it is a very good experience, and it gives you a very good experience, and it is a very good practice to become expert in digital marketing. Point number 4. What was? Point number 4, creating your own ads. It is a very important. Creating your own ads. Now I'm not saying create your own all ads, but I'm saying create one ad at least, because it helps you to measure your marketable skill. And it is a very good exercise to become the expert in digital marketing. Now point number 5, and it is a very important. That is analysis. Don't get me wrong, analysis is only key to the success, because it helps you to know your mistakes and compare. Analyze every number of your campaign, every aspect. It helps you to create more efficient campaigns, and it is a very good exercise, and it is also very important when it become expert in digital marketing. Now this is our main 5 points. You need to become expert in digital marketing, but also need to focus on other digital marketing skills like SEO, social media marketing, etc., email marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. Because these skills changing constantly time to time. You need to up to date. And if you are looking for the best course, digital marketing courses that become you to expert, there is a course that I highly recommend you to take. Now this course is personalized, therefore recommending you. And keep a note, I will be a commission if you purchase this course through my affiliate link. Check the video description and watch this video.
I'm John Cristani, and I'd like to invite you to an exclusive webinar I'm hosting this week on how you can create your own internet business from scratch like I did, to the point where it's fully automated and making you at least $1,000 profit every single day. Now, if you don't know about my story, I've been featured on TV and news stations such as Fox and CBS, and in news magazines such as Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Inc. magazine. And I have a unique story, which is I've been able to quit my 9-to-5 corporate job and travel the world, and became an internet millionaire in the process. Now, 4 years ago, I never believed it would be possible for me to actually. The hardest thing to do is to believe it's possible. Take a chance on yourself.
John Cristani, he's got the tools you need to be successful. So, John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
He teaches you the stuff that most people won't teach you. I think he provides value at the end of the day, you know.
He's a guy that you can trust. He's a guy that you can learn from. And I just saw right away that John is just like a visionary.
He lays out the path so simply.
Check the comment section and description as well. If you're looking this video on my blog, just scroll down, you will find the link. If you get anything new from this video, just now subscribe and press bell icon and hit a like. If you have any question, just comment below, and I will be soon on my next video.